So how is it that so many of us from such a diverse range of backgrounds are able to successfully run our own businesses from home? Well, we can do it because we work in partnership with and under the umbrella of a company that I believe is truly remarkable. It's a company called Forever Living, and they now span the globe and help distributors around the world build businesses from home. They offer us a number of things which enable us to be successful, and I want to take the next few minutes just explaining why I believe these things make this company truly remarkable. Firstly, it's got a long-standing track record of success. It's over 30 years old now. It's grown every single year in its history. It spans the globe. It trades in 150 countries around the world, which incidentally means its products and its business model have been approved by 150 governments around the world. It gives us an environment of stability. It's a private company, so it means there are no shareholders to pay dividends to. It's debt-free, which means there are no interest payments to banks, which means all of its profits are able to be ploughed back into product development, which means we as distributors can be very confident that when the company produces new products, they are at the top of their field. And talking about the products, this is the second major area that makes Forever truly remarkable. Essentially, it takes the best that nature has to offer, creates products out of them so that the benefits that nature offers can be brought into the lives of people in their own homes. The products bring real benefits in all sorts of different areas, and so our consumers like to keep getting these benefits, and so having consumed the products, keep buying them month in, month out. And this is the essence of the business. We have products that fit into a range of different niche marketplaces. There are products in the skincare market, there are products in weight management, there are products in health, fitness, sports, cosmetics products, even animal care products. Our job essentially is to create awareness about these products. People then try the products, and once they've tried them, they love the products and they become regular repeat consumers. Once you get the products either in people or on people, get them trying the products, it's the products that do the selling for you. So this blueprint for success, this track record, is one element of the success of Forever. Its products is another. Of course, the way we get paid is important too, and what I really liked when I first came across Forever was that its marketing plan, which is what they call the formula by which we get paid, is all set out in advance, so you know exactly what you need to do in order to achieve the kind of results that you're looking for. In essence, we all make 35 to 48% of the retail value of all the products people buy from us. People will either buy directly from you or via your website. Incidentally, all Forever distributors have their own webpage, which is a portal into Forever's e-commerce site. Forever handles all the credit cards, all the shipping of the products. What we are doing is driving people to that website who are interested in buying products. That's the basic business model, creating awareness in the marketplace. This creates people wanting to try the products, and the products then do the selling for us. Then the second element is the duplication of that. By introducing other people to Forever, they create their own consumers, they create their own awareness in the marketplace, and they make 35 to 48% of all the products people buy from them. Forever will pay you for introducing people into your team a percentage of all their sales too, and this can add up over time to a substantial amount of money. On this video, we're not going to go into a huge amount of detail about exactly how the marketing plan works. We have done another video if you want to go into the fine detail. It takes about 15 minutes to go through, and you'll find it on the same channel as this video. So these three things are what I think makes Forever a truly remarkable company. Its background, its products, its marketing plan. There's also a fourth thing though that really does ensure the success of people that join us, and that's the environment that it creates, because it encourages an environment where distributors work together and share best practice with each other, which means that even if you've got no business experience, we can help you to become a successful home-based business owner and entrepreneur using our trainings and systems. As the market changes, As all markets do and evolve with time, it means that we can be bang up to the minute with new ideas on how to best approach the market and how to create maximum profitability. These ideas are always shared around the network of distributors very quickly, which means that you've got real advantages in the marketplace. It's because of this training and support that we can take somebody with absolutely no business experience and help them to become a successful home business owner and entrepreneur. This is why I believe Forever is a truly remarkable company, because it helps people from ordinary backgrounds, people like myself, achieve extraordinary things.